So, you want to start investing in the stock market, but everything sounds complicated and risky, right? Don't worry, I have got you. Let's break it down step by step, super simple. First, what is the stock market? It's basically a place where you can buy tiny pieces called shares of companies you believe in. If those companies grow, so does your investment. Now, why even bother? The big advantage is that historically the stock market has outperformed almost every other way to grow your money. Think about it. Leaving cash in a savings account barely beats inflation. But stocks, they can multiply your wealth over time. But how do you pick the right stocks? Here is my go to beginner method. Start with what you know. Look around at the brands you use daily. Favorite tech company, coffee shop you can't live without. Check if they are publicly traded. Then do a little homework. Are they making profits? Are they growing every year? Next, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different companies and different industries. If individual stocks feel overwhelming, start with index funds. They let you own a tiny slice of hundreds of companies at once, easy and less risky. Remember, patience is the key. The stock market is not a get rich quick scheme. Invest regularly, keep learning, let your money work for you. Hit like if you found this helpful and let me know your biggest investing question in the comments.